Alright guys, so I went on eBay and I bought one of those motorized bicycle kits, and it finally showed up in the mail, and we're about to do the unboxing. Alright, stick with me. Alright, so we got everything unboxed, and this is what we got. Alright, starting over here, we got the 80cc bike motor. They're saying about between 3 to 5 horsepower. We'll see what happens, but not bad at all. Got a parts kit for the rear drive gear, all the washers and stuff like that. We got engine accessories, got a gas cap, fuel filter, fuel line, fuel cutoff switch. So we got a magneto, I'm assuming, not sure. Got the spark plug wire, got everything you need there. Chain drive, fuel tank. Actually looks really nice compared to some of the kits I've seen online and stuff like that. Got the carburetor, got the chain tensioner, exhaust, and then got a chain guard, got a accelerator cable, clutch cable, or clutch, and I'm not sure actually if this is the clutch cable or if this is, it's probably both. It's probably got the clutch cable and the throttle cable. And then you got your handlebar setup and a random clamp. So yeah, this is the whole kit from eBay, and I think it was like $118 free shipping, so can't really beat that. Well, you can if it works, but we'll see if it works. So, alright, next time we're going to be showing you the bike, and maybe start tearing it down. Alright, see you guys next episode.